How is it going, guys? So today we are going to be working on Chris's new Evo. Just picked it up, so I will let him explain everything we're doing to it and the story behind it and everything. So go ahead.
3 days ago, we flew out to Pittsburgh, got there at around 11 or around 10. I purchased this car from a guy, and it's a 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. It's the SSS package, so SSS for sight, sound, spoiler. It's got projector headlights, Fosgate sound system, and it had a spoiler on it before, but it got switched out for the ducktail. The only mods it has to it so far is an AEM cold air intake, ETS, V2 catback exhaust, and a Grimspeed manual boost controller. Today we are going to be putting on an upper intercooler pipe, lower intercooler pipe. We're going to be switching out the stock fuel pump for a 320 liter per hour AEM pump, as well as adding a flex fuel kit to it by Driven Fab, and the feed line with inline fuel filter. So stay tuned for that.
So this is kind of how it's looking right now, just really stock except for the little AEM air box. And I'll probably just time lapse the whole video of us taking all the parts off and putting everything back on, because it'll take a while. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll get to it.
Oh, no, sure does. What's up, dude? Go under, get it. Yeah. Once it counts, it's down. Sure. You do. 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. That's right. Fuel. Oh, that shit might take this and shit. Oh, it's half no, use my for free. I think it's probably more. I don't like it. Hey, want to start all the time? Yeah. He's not going to do that.
All right, guys, so we are at a good point right now. We got both intercooler pipes.
Sorry, dude.
We got both intercooler pipes off, and that's the stock lower one. And where'd you put the upper one? That's the stock upper one. And so we've got some all aluminum pipes that are going together. That's actually stainless, but whatever.
Got some MAPs.
Some matte performance. That's the lower intercooler pipe. All solid one piece stainless, so there's no expansion from the rubber. And so, yeah, that's the upper pipe. Is that actually aluminum?
Yep.
Nice. So we're gonna keep working. Alright guys, so sorry I stopped filming. We were dealing with some rusty bolts for a while, but we basically got it all back together. So full aluminum upper pipe and the stainless lower pipe is down there. It's running really good. So test pipe is next, right? I saw it, dude. I saw it, dude. Yeah.